These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is simply what I'm personally doing, and it's provided for educational purposes only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and your own trading decisions. Trading involves risk, and results can vary based on your experience, trading style, and risk management, and how well you can calculate and manage those risks. These live sessions are my personal trading sessions shared strictly to educate and document my own journey in the markets. Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I finally found my first trade. I will try to explain each and every single one of my trades in this session. This is a triple doji breakout. And also we have this 1 minute engulf, so I will try to secure more trades on this one. Oh, it hit the entry. Oh my god. Look at this entry. This would have been a crazy entry. This is one of the rare and one of the very unique trades that you could possibly take. I will explain why to take this. This is a triple doji breakout. Okay, this is a evening star pattern, which usually gives us retracement, not every times if you have enough reasons to take, as you can count it as a confirmation patterns having a retracement. That's one reason. Triple doji breakout, that's a very strong reason. And also we have this QM area. It was a winning trade. We have this little QM and the entries right inside this 1 minute engulfing pattern. I go to, yeah, I see that in lower time frame you see a fresh demand, and this entry would be that entry would be a type of trade that I will even do a triple trade on this. It's not suggested to do more than one trade on each setup, but this was a very good trade. I've been in the chart from where the candles were somewhere here. Okay, I missed this exhaustion candle and ABC breakout, and I didn't take this sell because it has a gap down and it's against some kind of momentum. Market was moving pretty clean and I thought it may keep going up. That's why I didn't start recording right here and I didn't take this trade. Yeah, today's market doesn't look bad, so I'm just gonna keep looking for better trades. Boys and girls, I'm sorry for interruption. We've created a very cool page for easy access to the most important videos on this channel. That's the first link in the description. Alright, this is another doji break. Let me see if you have other reasons. We have market sequence as a confirmation, but the bad thing about this trade is it's already played out. And if I enter this, it would be a bad entry unless it comes down and gives me the entry. Okay, let me just take this here. I hope we don't lose this trade because I see some dangerous rejections. Yeah. This is a doji break. Honestly, I didn't find any other reason to add up. That's why I'm just taking a single trade. And this is not a third touch breakout, by the way. It was a winning trade, but this is based on only one reason. Please be careful. We don't trade based on one reason. We need at least 3 or 4 reasons. Okay. And in this case, we have only a doji break. The ranging market is very good, and dojis work best in this kind of ranging markets. And the confirmation we could add is this market sequence of having double red candles every time and having the green candle as the next one. We didn't have negative gap up against us like this. If we have gap up like this in this trade, I wouldn't take it at all. We could add up the maybe common point of rejection. The point is we have to keep adding our reasons to take the best possible trades. If you enjoy these videos and you want to keep going like this, please drop a like on this video so I understand that you really like the videos. This is another, again, doji break. Again, triple doji break. Man, I shouldn't have missed this trade. It's same trade as we took right here. See, we broke 3 dojis again. Dojis has histories. It means that they can be broken multiple times and you can keep taking them if you have enough reasons to take them. So yeah, if you like these sessions, like the video so you can understand that. I will keep looking. Today, probably I'm gonna do a withdrawal request at 10K. 16K, I'm sorry. Because I wanna, for the competition winners. Alright. This is a decision, this is a very good order block. Let me see. This is an order block. This is a respect to support area. And now I can look for entries inside this, because if you look, this has been a support area and price has been bouncing back every time hitting this area. And in this moment, the bars were finished and there was no bars, they were weak. And then boom, this movement happened and it created this order block. And right before the order block, we have this fair value gap. So this looks a valid order block to me. Let's look at the market's structure. Yeah, I could take, I can take this. We have lower time frame entry inside. If I could have another okay, I don't have it. So the entry is on 32nd. It's pretty big. It would be nice if your entry is too big like this. You have to draw a line right in between, right at the middle, and take your entry right at the middle for lowest possible risk. Okay, that's another tip for you guys. I will keep looking for the best possible trade. Doji break again worked. Today's market looks very good. Like again here, I have the same setup. This is a 1 minute supply area. I'm sorry, demand area. This is again, the price is coming from QM, and going with the bars here would have a bit of risk. Let me draw everything. Yeah, the price touched the QM 2 times here. If you want me to draw the QM zone, this is called QM. Okay, this is a reversal market pattern. Let me mark it here. And then we have another one here. It's usually better to not go against the QMs. These two are QM sell. Let me see. Boys and girls, I'm sorry for interruption. We've created a very cool page for easy access to the most important videos on this channel. That's the first link in the description. Give me a gap down and I will take this. If it gives me a gap down, I will take this. So we have also common point of rejection, and also we have something very nice down here. This is an order block, fair value gap. So imagine if it gives us the, oh no, I would love to see this as a red one. No. All right. If I was seeing this as a red one, next candle started with a gap down, it would be coming to our entry inside this order block, and then have this common point of rejection. It would be fire. Let me just, oh, it created a doji. We still have chance. Let me go to lower time frame real fast. Oh, we don't have fresh demand right inside that. Maybe in 5 seconds. Unfortunately, we don't have fresh supply right inside the order block, man. Maybe I should take it with very small amount, huh? 200, let's go with 200, because we don't have fresh demand right there. If I want to take a very good trade on this opportunity here, I would wait for this to close as a doji break and then enter below the common point of rejection. But now it's just high risk. It could drop more because we don't have lower time frame, fresh lower time frame entry on this one. We have unfresh ones. I'll show you. Okay, this trade is a losing trade. Let me show you the, okay, this is a lower time frame entry if you look, but this is not fresh. Why do I say it's not fresh? Because it's already a shadow touching it. See, the candle after, 2 candle after that, it's already touching here. So less chance to react from this. Didn't react. So now the doji is broken. Do we have other stuff to add up? We don't. Again, I'm going to take it with 200 because this is also risky. If you see a good movement from this area, this could be a huge double bottom area and can change the market's direction. Okay. This is a QM, but I didn't really look at the QM because we already have a doji break, common point of rejection. And again, this is a high risk trade because we don't have lower time frame entry here. Even if this was a QM, we don't have lower time frame entry here. Okay. The only reason for taking this trade, doji break, common point of rejection right here, and gap down in the favor of buyers. All right. Let's go back to 1,000. Let's keep going. Oh, this is a very good demand area in 1 minute. Respected resistance. Let me go to lower time frame. Oh, don't tell me that we don't have lower time frame entry for this one too. Okay, we have that right down here. We mark it. Yeah. Let's keep going. Oh. It's coming to the entry. Come on. I'm kind of scared to take the trades that are against the momentum, and I'm not suggesting doing that. Okay, it's gonna take time for it to come down. I'm gonna keep going. Sorry for interruption. For those who are asking, this is the only Telegram channel that I have, which I share my students' results only and the announcements that I have. Nothing too crazy, not like similar fucking signal channels and things like that. If you're interested, that's the first link in the description. All right, I want to take this. All right, I should have waited for candle to open to see the gap. This is a doji break on this candle. And this is a gap down against the sellers. The price is coming from this order block. So we are in a sell direction. That's what makes us confident in this trade. All right, the better entry up there. Okay, it was a losing trade. We have a good entry up here, so price may move up again. And it's gonna close right here. Boom, finally. We had a very good session finally. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna just do a quick withdrawal request. I'm gonna need 17k for the winners of my competition. Okay, wait. I'll take a Bitcoin. Alright. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.